guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another Bolzano bag for you. So evidently they have a new package that includes their add-ons for $43.95, I want to say. So that is what I have today. Also, you can still add a gift using, oh, I can't remember what it is. It's REBECCAGIFT or something like that. And the way that you do that is it's not like an add-on at the end. You just, while you're on the Bolzano site, go into the search bar and type in REBECCAGIFT or whatever it is. I'll put it in the description box so that you don't put in the wrong thing. And then that will lead you to a page, and then you can then click on the gift to add it to your shopping cart. Okay, let's see what I got. All right, let's see. Let's just open the bag first. Ooh. Oh my goodness, look at this. How cute is this bag? Oh wow, I super duper love it. And I do not have anything like this. Okay, let's see, how do you open this? It's full of goodies in there, so hang on. All right, so you can see the opening. There's 2 compartments, looks like, and then some pockets. So we have something in there. Oh, and there's another strap. So if you wanted like a longer leather strap instead of just the little short chain, this is actually quite a beefy strap for this purse, but I kind of like it. Just like a regular pocket and then a zipper pocket back there. That is super cute. And then there's also this little pocket on the back. I love that so much. I have some white booties that I want to wear with that. I don't know what else I'm gonna wear, just the booties in the purse. Okay, so let's see. Whoa, baby, look at that. Holy moly town, I'm like wearing very little jewelry right now. It's so freaking hot today. It is over 100 degrees. It went from being like cold and rainy to freaking hot just in the last week. Wow, holy moly. This actually kind of, you know, goes, right? I have a nice open neck there. That's fantastically wonderful. What a fun piece. I love it. I love big statement pieces like that. Okay, what is this? This is cute. It has like a little rosette of lace there. Polka dot lace, no less. Oh, it's earrings. Oh, look at those. How cute. Those are crazy cute, right? Simple, but really lovely. And this necklace, I die. What's this? Wait a second. Based on this picture, if this is what I think it is, I'm gonna be so excited. Yes, oh my God. Okay, you guys, I've seen ads for these types of things like everywhere, all the time, always. Okay, it's like a wraparound doomaflachi. Okay, so you put like, let's see, one arm through this side, and then you wrap it around, not including the chair, and then maybe you just do it like that, and then, wait, if I scooch it that way. Okay, so this is obviously see-through and quite dangly. It's, you know, very loose and whatnot. I know, I'm sorry, this is not the proper way to wear this. It's like a bathing suit cover, and it's very lightweight and sheer. I'm obsessed. I've been wanting one of these for ages. I even had a pattern so that I could make one my own. Okay, and then there's this whole box of goodies. This is a lot of goodies. I have some L'Oreal Revitalift Anti-Wrinkle and Firming Moisturizer. I think I actually tried this once before. I don't know, but that's interesting. And then what do we have here? Desi Lustrous Lip Gloss. Okay, so a couple of different lip glosses. One's more pink, one's more mauve-y, kind of raisin colored, I guess. And then this is Aura by Swarovski. Is this a perfume? Oh, it's so pretty. Look at this packaging. I mean, you know, Swarovski, you think of Swarovski crystals, right? I do not understand this packaging. What the heck? Ah, there it goes. Okay. Yeah, it's just a perfume. It smells good. Packaging is so cool. It's kind of spacey looking, right? Okay, so I will leave all of the information in the description box. Don't forget to use my code if you do end up getting something from Bolzano, and you just have to add it to your cart. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!